You can see the movement in the gear stick here. The bushes are totally gone, but it's an easy fix. The parts are still available from Mitsubishi. I'll put a diagram in the video so you can see which parts are necessary. I've taken it all apart now, and you can see the remnants of the bushes down here that are just completely worn out and destroyed. That's why there's so much movement. Anyway, I'll replace the bushings and will be a lot better, I'm sure. The two bushes down in here have been replaced. I replaced the actual internal rod also, but that probably doesn't need to be done. And I put grease in there. It's a lot better than it was. But the main ones that go are the top two bushes here, which I'll also replace in a moment. Okay, so I've changed the two bushes down here and the two bushes there. Put a little bit of grease on it. It is much better now. There's no movement. It'll go through the gears nice and easily now. So yeah, it's a win. Okay, thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye. Much better now. There is just the normal movement now, just that much. So it's much better. Just like a new one.